So one, they've replaced the garage door. The garage door guy actually showed up when he was supposed to with the garage door, installed it, got paid, and was well on his way. Now, they've had a couple of people come out to give quotes for painting the exterior. And if you guys have a contact that is reliable, shows up when they're supposed to, does the work, then please send me a DM with those contacts, because what we're running into is crazy to get people to actually show up, give quotes, and then once you say, okay, the job is yours, to actually show up on time and do the work. I know many of you have run into this. It's kind of like the name of the game of contractors. I think they just take on way too much work or something. I'm not sure. Contractors could totally use some business person in the background helping them. So they are going to be painting the exterior of the home, and we're waiting on quotes to come in for that. This is the other house next door that we will be closing on here in a couple of weeks as well.